Now that vaccines are being rolled out, will life get back to the way it was? The Biden team's top doctor isn't giving people a straight answer, and he's drawing a lot of criticism for that. NTD's Miguel Moreno has that story and our pandemic update.
So Dr. Anthony Fauci says getting the COVID-19 vaccine isn't enough, that he can't recommend family gatherings with less prevention measures. He's waiting for a solid answer from the CDC.
Common sense tells you that, in fact, you don't have to be as stringent in your public health measures. But what we want to get firm recommendations from the CDC, which I believe will be coming soon.
Basically, he's saying that in his position, he can't make common sense suggestions. He can only wait for the science. Something similar happened a few weeks ago. Remember double masking? He told the media that double masking would be likely more effective. This was before the CDC published their study about this.
You know, it likely does because, I mean, this is a physical covering to prevent droplets and virus to get in.
These are conflicting positions. He can't make suggestions about vaccinated families getting together without the CDC's recommendation, but he can make suggestions about masks without the CDC's recommendation. What does the science tell us about vaccines? Based on CDC data, the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are 94-95% effective at preventing infection with COVID-19 after 2 doses. This is why the doctor is drawing a lot of criticism, because the science appears to show that it's safe to gather after getting vaccinated, and his mixed messaging. We'll keep a lookout for the CDC's suggestion. Let's go over some of the U.S.'s virus trends. We've hit the virus death toll of 500,000, but the trends are going down, which is a good sign. COVID Tracker says 7-day averages for hospitalizations, deaths, and new cases are falling. The last time we had such a low case rate was on October 23rd, 4 months ago. Now let's take a look at Britain for a moment. Prime Minister Boris Johnson said he didn't think they would use vaccine passports to get access into pubs and theaters. Now he says they'll consider it.
There are clearly some quite complex issues, some ethical issues about discrimination and so on. To what extent can government either compel or indeed forbid such use of such certification? I think all that needs to be gone into, and so we're going to have a review of the whole issue.
These passports would only be used domestically in the UK. If the government approves of this, you may not be able to hit the pub if you haven't gotten the shot.